Hey guys, SupremeFury here. Hope you guys have liked some of the unboxing videos at the moment. We're going to do some more unboxing on the XY evolutions. Still got a few boosters left. I'm just going to do a quick one tonight. If you hear the snoring in the background, that's my dog Mia. So we're just going to do a quick one tonight. Do 5 of the boosters, a full art set, and we'll go with that. And then we'll continue unboxing on another day. Awesome. Alright guys, well, we've got the 4 art sets here. Oh, and Raichu. Where's Raichu? There he is. Awesome. Let's start with Raichu. How's things, guys? Everything been going good? Keeping up with Pokemon cards? I can't keep up with them anymore, man. That's why XY evolutions are pretty much it for me. So first one's Raichu art booster. Alright guys, we have the Arcanine, Trainer Switch, Machoke, Trainer Full Heal, Machop, Tangela, not doing the best on there, Vulpix, Fire Energy, Voltorb, and Machamp Break. Not bad, not the best, but not bad. Let's go with Venusaur. Mia. So Venusaur art booster. So we have Trainer Card Revive, Trainer, here comes Team Rocket, Magma, Dark Energy, I think, Magikarp, Weedle, Electabuzz, too many cards there, Drowsy, a Voltorb, reverse holo. Whoa, nice card. We got a Pidgeot EX. Beautiful. Nice artwork there. Awesome. Whoa. I reckon we'll go on to the Zardy booster and we'll go Blastoise last. Come on, mate, give me good luck. Not a Zard, not a Zard. So, Charizard booster. We have Beedrill. Trainer Slowbro Spirit Link. Kakuna. Energy Retrieval, a Staryu, oh, where we go, there, Staryu, a Weedle, Machop, Tangela, Vulpix, and a Growlithe, reverse holo. Last booster, Blastoise art. So we have Farfetch'd, Double Colorless Energy, a Charizard Trainer Spirit Link, Kakuna, the Magikarp, Sandshrew, Ghastly, Mia, Weedle, Tangela, and Electabuzz Reverse Holo. Oh, not the best pulls out of those four. Still got quite a few packs left. I got some pre-cut. Please, Zardy, don't fall, Zardy. Okay, what is going on there? Some pre-cut and some non-pre-cut. Pre-cut packs. I'll try to leave some of them to last. Sometimes it's just easier to pre-cut before I start unboxing. So, what we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16. We've still got 16 boosters, uncut, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Pre-cut. Still got quite a few boosters to go, which is good. Honestly, I am hoping, and fingers crossed, that I get another Zard. Another one of these bad boys. That beautiful thing. Well, thanks guys. SupremeFury. We'll get another unbox done shortly. Please like, follow, subscribe, watch the rest of my channel, my other videos, and see you guys shortly. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good night.